Guys, what's going on? Dave Dick's 4x4 garage behind me, the K10. She's been buried over in the corner, but we moved her to the center of the garage. We're getting ready to start phase 2, that's 3, phase 2 of K10 crawler. So, what is phase 2 gonna be? We're gonna 3-link the front, we're gonna dove nose it, crossover steering, front e-locker, and 538 gears. And then we got a lot of other stuff to do. So we gotta remake some sliders, we gotta do some cage work, all that's getting done. So it may take a while. We're gonna do a lot of videos, but it's gonna come out awesome. So let's get busy. All right, so what are we starting with? What are we starting with here? So I'm calling this phase 2 because phase 1 really didn't do a whole lot with axles and steering or any of that. What phase 1 was making it from a full bed to what you see here. So I raised the gas tank up, made a cradle for it here so this whole thing can just lift off and get out of the way. I shortened the frame 10 inches right here. Yes, it's butt welded, fish plated, boxed. It ain't going nowhere. So I wheeled it like this for a while, but obviously, you know, it needed a lot more stuff, and then I bought my Jeep, and that's it. So right now, we got to do a lot of work, and phase 2 is going to be awesome. I can't wait to get going on it. I hope you will join me. So right now, all we have in the truck is a 10-bolt front and a 14-bolt in the rear. So it's just sitting on leaves right now. The front, the whole thing's going to come out and get redone. I took the transfer case, everything out of here already. I used it in the other truck because I want to do something different here. The engine totally needs a cleanup, and I need to put a different cam in it, and I'm going to rework the harness. So this harness is kind of a mess. So yeah, we're going to clean it up, make it look nice, get rid of all this stuff, and it's going to be awesome. So that's it. Seat, everything's out of here. So basically we're starting with an LS, a cab, a front clip, a couple axles, and that's the way I like to start. Guys, thanks for rolling with me on this video. I certainly appreciate it. On this build here, we got a lot of stuff to do. We got a lot of ground to cover. We got a lot of, certain things that we're gonna do that's gonna have to be broken down into a whole bunch of tiny little pieces. So in an effort to pump out more videos in a more timely fashion, I'm probably gonna do maybe a little bit shorter videos and just try to keep it a little bit more informative. So when we get to doing like the locker per se, we'll probably split that up into a couple of different pieces, or do the gears and then do something else, like not try to do the whole thing in one shot. And then that way, I can work a little, do a little video, stuff like that. So it's going to be a long project. It's going to take a while, to be honest. The stupid COVID-19 kind of taking away a lot of my rock crawler build fundage, but we'll get through it. We'll figure it out. So there's a lot of stuff that I can do that I don't have to spend a whole bunch of money right away. And so we'll just slowly, as we go, we'll get it done, and it'll be cool. So gonna probably, next thing we're gonna do is, once I get everything out of here, I still gotta pull the engine, so that's gonna come out. We'll clean it up, we'll pop a cam in it, so I'll go over all that, just kind of like a refresher. I've got a bunch of videos on cam stuff, but we'll just do a refresher. You can catch this truck. So I've done a lot of videos on this truck, probably like over 100 videos. So from the time I got it, to putting the LS in, to doing all kinds of, it went through so many different states and through different things and all this stuff. But I got videos of that if you want to check it out. It does have a playlist. There's like all kinds of videos in there. And then we got to phase 1, where we kind of went to rock crawler mode with it and did all the back stuff. And then now this is phase 2, where we're basically building on that. And all this stuff pretty much needed to be done anyways in the state it was before. It just had some different axles and tires and stuff in it. So that's it. So I'm just giving you the rundown of the truck. A lot of you guys are watching, the truck. And you guys have watched a lot of the videos. But yeah, so we're just going to get into it. We're going to start knocking stuff out slowly and just make it happen. So next up, get this out. Start dubbing the front, figure out how I want to do that. I'm still doing research on that. And we'll just make it happen. It'll be awesome. But until the next video, which I hope will be next week, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for rolling with me. You guys take it easy.